Imagine a battlefield not crowded with soldiers, but with robotic dogs armed to the teeth. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's becoming our reality. Today, I'm diving into a groundbreaking development that could change the face of warfare forever. China has recently showcased its latest military innovation, robotic dogs equipped with rifles, ready for urban combat. These aren't your average household pets, they're machines designed for the battlefield. In a recent joint military exercise with Cambodia, these robots were put on full display, hinting at a future where human soldiers could be a rarity in combat zones. The concept isn't entirely new. The US has been experimenting with unmanned aircraft and autonomous vessels for years. Drones have become a staple in modern warfare, reshaping strategies in conflicts like Ukraine. But China's robotic dogs push this idea even further. They're designed to be nimble, updatable, and most importantly, cheaper than traditional military hardware like tanks. This shift towards automation in military strategy aims to minimize human casualties and maximize efficiency on the battlefield. It's a game changer, making warfighting less about brute force and more about precision and technology. However, this rise of robotic warriors also brings up some serious ethical questions. As these machines take on more roles traditionally held by humans, the lines of warfare are blurred. What does it mean for the future of global conflict when robots can pull the trigger? As we look towards this potentially stark future, it's crucial to consider not only the technological advancements, but also the broader implications they carry for society and ethics in warfare. So, what do you think about this robotic revolution in military tactics? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by how technology is reshaping our world, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.